Hello. All right, let's look at this question. So this is a given probability distribution function of discrete random variable, right? It's already given, and they're asking you to find the variance and all the variance of different random variable. And for all this, you can use the properties of variance, right? So let's look at how to finding the variance of x. So okay, let's look at this question. Okay, this is the probability distribution table given by the question. All right, given by the question. You total up the probability here. This is a discrete random variable. So if you total up all the probability here, you were getting 1, right? You were getting 1. So let's see how to find the variance of x. So variance of x, by using the formula, you know that the variance of x, the formula will be ex to the power of 2, ex to the power of 2 minus with the square of the mean, right? The square of the mean. So then from here you can see that you need to find the expectation of x, right? The mean of x also. And you have to find the expectation of x to the power of 2. So very simple. So you're just finding the ex, all right? Finding the ex. So the ex will be 1 multiplied with 1 over 16 plus with 2 multiplied with 1 over 2, 3 multiplied with 1 over 4, 4 multiplied with 3 over 16, right? Then you calculate, you can find the expectation of x. And same thing here also, if you want to find the expectation of x to the power of 2, right? X to the power of 2. What you do is you just square the random variable 1 square, right? Just like this. Okay, 1 square, 1 over 16. And for here, you just multiply with 2. But now because of x square, you just square the 2. So 1 over 2. Add up with 3 square, 1 over 4, plus with 4 square, 3 over 16. All right, 3 over 16. So let's add up all the value here. Okay, for the expectation, after by using calculator, you were getting the value of 41 over 16, right? 41 over 16. And how about the expectation of x squared? Okay, you were getting 117 over 16. All right. So we have found the value for ex squared, and we have found the value for expectation of x. So we have to put this value into the formula, right, to find the variance of x. So the variance of x, therefore, the variance of x will be the value of ex squared, right, 117 over with 16 minus away 41 over 16 to the power of 2, right? The mean square, right? The square of the mean. All right, let's calculate the value. Okay, which we're giving you the value of 191 over with 256. All right, 191 over 256. So this will be the variance of this probability distribution function here. Right? Okay, let's see the other question. All right, okay, let's see how to using the properties of variance in finding the value of B, C, D, right? Variance of all these random variable. So as revision again, revise for you again. So variance of a constant, you will get a 0, right? But if your variance of constant multiplied with this random variable, it will be a to the power of 2 variance of x. So and the variance of ax plus with b, so it will be a to variance of x, right? Variance of ax will be a power of 2, a variance of x, and variance of b is just like variance of a constant, so you're getting 0, right? So okay, let's see. The question they're asking you to find the variance of, for part B, of x minus with 2, right? X minus with 2. So very simple. So variance, So follow this, right? So you will have variance of constant, variance of x is the variance of x, right? And minus 2, okay? Or you can write as variance plus with variance of negative 2, right? I never write this because I know that variance of ax will be a to the power of 2 variance of x, right? And plus with variance of b will be 0, right? Just like variance of negative 2, it will become 0. So it's the same value as the variance of x, right? And this will be 0, right? So it means that the answer for this is the same as the variance of x, which is 191 over with 256, right? So this will be your answer for this question. All right, followed by C, right? So I hope you can see. So C is variance of 2x, right? Variance of 2x plus with 3. Okay, variance of 2x plus with 3. So if you look at this, so we apply these rules here. So we have 2 to the power of 2a, right? This is a. So it will be 2 to the power of 2, 2a, right? 2 to the power of 2, variance of x, right? Variance of constant, all right? Variance of a constant, it will be 0. Or if you want to write, it's okay, right? Variance of a constant. So therefore this one will become 0. And this will become 4. Variance of x, right? So it means that 4 times the variance for 2x, but it's 4 times the variance of x. 191 over 256. All right, let's calculate the value. It will be 191 over with 64, right? Very simple. And lastly, we look at the variance. So we look at the variance of 5 minus with 8x, right? In this video, I just want to show you how to finding the variance, right, by using this formula, and how to using the properties here. So variance of 5 minus 2x, so it's the same as variance of 5, right? We are using the third properties, variance of 5, variance of the constant, followed by add with variance of negative, right, plus with negative 8x, right? So for this and the term b here. So if you know that variance of constant, you are getting 0, right? Definitely you are getting 0. But this is negative 8, right? Variance of negative 8. So this is your a, right? So by using this rule here, you will have a to the power of 2, 64, right? Negative 8 power of 2 will be positive 64, variance of x. So very simple, we just take 64, multiply with the variance of x, which is 191 over with 256, right? So it will be 4, right? 191 divided by 4, right? As this simplify, you are getting 4. So that's all of how to solving this equation by using the properties of variance.